allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for those standing one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Roll call. Mr. Renner,
Here.
Mr. Robinson,
Here.
Mr. Blanton.
Here. Kim, do you have the resolution for the? Oh, you
Did you
got
grab?
it? Go ahead.
This is just a quick matter before we get on with the rest of it. Obviously, we're having a lot of nuisance issues with high grass, and this is one of the worst ones. So I'd like to make a motion that we pass resolution 2023-05. This is declaring 8450 Bridgetown Road a nuisance for high grass and vegetation. Pass this resolution as it's been prepared. We've received numerous calls on this particular property, very visible on Bridgetown Road there, and so I'd like the board to entertain this motion.
I'll second first.
Mr. Renner,
Yes.
Mr. Robinson,
Yes.
Mr. Blanton.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Okay, and as I guess everybody knows, this is a special meeting. And purpose of this meeting is we're going to go into an executive session to consider the investigation of charges or complaints against a public employee. When we come out, I'm not sure results, decision to be made or not at this meeting. And we're not sure at this time whether comment will be taken, depending on the advice of the attorney. So having said that, I make a motion that the board moves to the executive session. One second.
Mr. Renner,
Yes.
Mr. Robinson,
Yes.
Mr. Blanton.
Yes. If I actually can't, guys. Okay, returning from the executive session, we get a roll call, please.
Mr. Renner,
Here.
Mr. Robinson,
Here.
Mr. Blanton.
Here. Okay, I'd like to make a motion to the board to go ahead, move forward with process and procedure for investigating the charges against the fire chief. I'm making a motion. We go forward with the procedure.
Just gonna read. Is this where we read?
No,
Okay.
procedure first.
I will second.
Mr. Robinson,
Yes.
Mr. Renner,
Yes.
Mr. Blanton.
Yes. And in order to cover the moving forward process, I'm asking for a passing of resolution 2023-06. And I'm gonna read this in its entirety for the record. Resolution authorizing the appointment of an investigator and preparation of necessary charges pursuant to Ohio Revised Code, Section 505.38. Whereas the Ohio Revised Code, Section 505.38A authorizes a trustee board of trustees to appoint an investigator to investigate alleged misconduct of Township Fire Department personnel, including misconduct of the fire chief, when the board has reason to believe that such conduct has occurred. Whereas the Board of Trustees has reason to believe that Miami Township Fire Chief Brian Lacy may have engaged in misconduct related to the performance of his duties. And whereas the Board of Trustees desires to appoint an investigator in accordance with the Ohio Revised Code to conduct an investigation regarding the alleged allegations of misconduct. Therefore, be it resolved by the Board of Trustees of Miami Township, Hamilton County, Ohio. Section 1. The Board of Trustees hereby appoint Alex Ewing to serve as an investigator regarding the allegations of misconduct by Chief Lacy on behalf of the township. Section 2. The Board of Trustees hereby grants Alex Ewing all necessary authority to conduct the investigation as provided by the Ohio Revised Code. Section 3, in the event that the investigation revealed that misconduct has occurred, The Board of Trustees directs Alec Ewing to prepare necessary charges regarding Chief Lacy's misconduct in accordance with the Ohio Revised Code, section 733.35 to 733.39. Section 4. Board of Trustees directs that a hearing regarding Chief Lacy's alleged misconduct will be held at the first regular meeting following the completion of the investigation, preparation of charges, unless otherwise agreed to by the parties. Section 5. It is hereby determined that all formal actions of the Board of Trustees concerning relating to the adoption of this resolution were adopted in an open meeting of the board, and that all deliberations of this board and of any of its committees that resulted in this formal action were in meetings open to the public and in compliance with the law. Okay. Trustee Reniger will introduce the resolution and move it to adoption. Okay. I'm asking for a second on the motion to move this forward.
I'll second.
Okay. Roll call being upon request of adoption of the resolution by the Township Fiscal Officer who is not here. So the vote will result in the following. Dan Bland,
Yes.
Mike Robbins,
Yes.
Jack Reniger, yes. Okay. This is to certify the resolution is duly adopted by the Board of Trustees and filed with the Miami Township Fiscal Officer of the state. Okay. That's the final reading of the resolution. We do have a statement drafted. The Board of Trustees voted to appoint the investigator regarding potential misconduct concerning the fire chief. It's been requested that to preserve the integrity of the process, the township will not comment further on the matter until our attorney gets done. After that, no questions, we're going to accept. So make a motion to adjourn the meeting.
Motion to adjourn.
Second.
Mr. Reniger,
Yes.
Mr. Robinson,
Yes.
Mr. Lamb.
Yes.